So he's in the semi-enable right-hand side, there's view flight mile 14s.
And red one, currently 150 knots, about to level off. Cut the corner more, George.
And it was Shenstone, Smith and Fanny who were really responsible for the electrical wing of the picture.
Red one, turning left. Flues aboard. Confirm all aboard, Dan. All aboard. Red one, continuing this orbit to the left.
Creating, designing, building, quite great. So creating the Spitfire.
What's your position? About to clear the field. Copy. Continuing the orbit. Copy.
Those driven engines, Spitfires, they do amazing, absolutely.
Bring your 9 o'clock, 1 kilometre. Let's go. Move forward, George. And Griffins, if I roll out on a left base, do you think that'll work? Give us 30 seconds. Copy.
So in the lead we have Mark 9, images 3, 4. In the number 2 position, expect he is flying.
Are you getting on the speed? 500 yards. Boost 3 will be sooner.
Here we go, coming in from the right-hand side of the front 7 learning pound Spitfires. Get ready, people.
Position flying EP120 at Mark 5, Spitfire is.
And reversing to the left.
And reversing to the left, of course, all in the lead there.
Letting it out a bit.
mistake. Just look for a little bit more G at the time of the turn.
Sywell Radio Golf Mike Kilo is to the west of Northampton and is going to go to Leicester on 122.130. Thanks, bye-bye. Golf Mike Kilo, thanks for the call. And reversing right.
Is Ben Cox flying in ML407? It's the very swift one, two-seat version. Looking back three in above 9 is Daniel Rhythm, and then he's joined by Alex Speed.
This is the last pass of the formation. At the end of this, we'll be powering up for tail chase.
The landers to go downwind to land after this pass.
Spitfires flying the 9 great jets, so the way I've thoroughly enjoyed that was sick.
White 2, turning final with the gear.
Golf Alpha Foxtrot Tango Lima, Lockheed, with 5 on board, prepping their third information for a flight Douglas. Carry away about that.
Foxtrot Lima, Hannah.
Yes, 5 now.
Foxtrot Lima, 21 right hand, QNH 1013.
2 on right hand, 1013.
Golf Tango Lima, we're at the displays on time, so we'll call you as soon as all the Spitfires have been recovered.
Understood, we'll start engines and we're ready to go at 17.
Roger.
Just reduces the temperatures, obviously, you actually see the temperatures.
With a roll down left.
Blue 1 vacated.
Rolling left. Go Echelon. Turning right.
Route 2 vacated.
I said earlier about the
very aircraft you're watching display now and that you can go flying in was the very first aircraft on the 6th of June 1944 to shoot down an enemy aircraft over the beaches of Normandy on D-Day. It's very
This plane has so much history in it, it really does. It's an absolutely remarkable machine. Most fighter pilots felt that the Mark 9 was the fighter pilot's Mark. I think it's the one that was most produced, saw the most service, flew in the most theatres. It's a remarkable example, and restored by Richard's father Nick Grace, then flown by Richard's mother Carolyn. You know, she was an absolute pioneer aviator in a very, very male-dominated world. Absolutely archetypal image of what England represents. It was absolutely incredible. And you're right, it does bring a lump to the throat, the hairs back on the neck, standing up and all that sort of thing. And if any of you got any life savings left, suddenly got a windfall, or suddenly think, what the heck, do you know what, I'm just going to chuck it on a credit card, hell with consequences. I couldn't recommend it more highly. Just do it, people. You only live once.
Absolutely. So as the plane comes down to land in ML407 on the right hand side, I think that was a truly fabulous way to end the daytime part of the Sywell Airshow 2024. So please, if you enjoyed that 9-ship Spitfire performance, please put your hands together and thank everybody who took part. And to Richard and Paul for choreographing what was truly superb. The P-51 just starting on that, you might have wondered why there weren't 4 in the original display this morning. Had some slight starting issues, so they're just trying to run that now so you can be flown tomorrow. Next movement will be the Lockheed 12A.